Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to delete the sheets on your Microsoft Excel mobile phone application. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to delete a sheet in Microsoft Excel mobile, I just going to show in this video. So click on this plus symbol. I just opening a new document and just going to add a 4 sheets. So I just don't need a third sheet here. So first of all, click on the sheet first. So after clicking on the sheet, you just need to click on the sheet again, which actually have a pop-up here. So here you will see an option called rename, color, duplicate, and everything. In the last section, you can see this. You can just scroll this options like this, and in last section, you will see a delete sheet. Just click on delete sheet. The Microsoft Excel will permanently delete this sheet. Do you want to continue? And click delete OK. Now you can see a undo or redo option here. So if you delete the sheet, it will be permanently deleted in the Excel. So try to create a duplicate and delete it, so you will not lose any data. So you can see there is a notification here that it will be permanently deleted. In some softwares they provide to undo the deleting option of the sheets, but in Excel mobile they didn't provide that option. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.